Hey everyone, I'm Annie Richards, your Chester Riverkeeper at Shore Rivers. I'm out here on the Chester, just outside Chestertown, and I'm doing a day of water quality sampling. I just want to take some time to say thank you for helping us reach our recent campaign goal for the Nina, Rodale, Houghton Riverkeeper Endowment Fund. We couldn't do this work without you.
Hey everyone, I'm Matt Pluta. I'm your chop tank riverkeeper with Shore Rivers, collecting a bacteria sample at the Strand Beach in Oxford. And this is just one of the many programs we do as the Riverkeeper department on keeping check of our water quality and helping to engage the community in enjoying this wonderful resource.
Hi, my name's Ben Ford. I'm the Miles Y Riverkeeper here at Shore Rivers. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful Thursday. We've collected our swim tester bacteria samples from around the Chop Tank and Miles Y Eastern Bay watersheds, and here we are processing them in the lab. This is all thanks to your generous support, and we really thank you for it.
Hey everyone, this is Zach Kelleher, your Sassafras Riverkeeper. I'm out here today at our recently completed Living Shoreline project here on Lloyd's Creek at Sassafras Natural Resource Management Area. I just wanted to take a minute to thank everyone who supported our endowment matching campaign over these past several weeks. The work that we do, like this critical restoration work, would not be possible without your support.
Last year, the Rollins-Luetkemeyer Foundation issued us a challenge, and they said, if you can raise $200,000 for your Riverkeeper endowment, they'll match it with another $100,000. And I want to thank all of you for helping us meet that goal and unlocking that $100,000 gift from the Rollins-Luetkemeyer Foundation.
At Shore Rivers, we know our work is stronger when community members are behind us and supporting our work. And this campaign wouldn't have been possible without the Rollins-Luetkemeyer Foundation for getting the ball rolling and inspiring all of your gifts.
Thank you, Rollins-Luetkemeyer Foundation.
As the primary advocate for the Chester River, I'm proud to protect this living resource. And by endowing our work at Shore Rivers, you're making sure that these Eastern Shore waterways have a voice in perpetuity.
Reaching this goal is really transformational opportunity for Shore Rivers and allows us to keep up with this important work in our watersheds.
These endowment funds are incredibly important to sustaining our work both now and into the future. As we talk about in a lot of our work and our outreach, it's critically important that we are addressing these nutrients and these sources of pollution right here on the land before they enter our waterways. And so, by having this money and being able to leverage it, we're able to do real on-the-ground restoration work that has real meaningful impacts and nutrient reductions to lead to directly tangible water quality improvements.
I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for helping us meet this challenge. This is a huge opportunity for the Riverkeepers so we can continue to engage our community and protect our rivers in perpetuity. The Riverkeeper Endowment will help keep our Riverkeepers funded for years into the future so that we can continue to be the voice for your favorite river.
Thank you again so much for being a part of this fundraising effort and supporting all of the work that we do here at Shore Rivers. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.